We will bring new. مونږ به نوی راوړو. We will bring new. Don't show up too much. ډیر ځان مه ښیه. Don't show up too much. Let me do this. پرېږده چې زه دا وکم. Let me do this. Cold wind is blowing. یخه هوا چلیږي. Cold wind is blowing. Wait outside for a while. لږ ساعت بهر انتظار وکړه. Wait outside for a while. What's going on there? دغلته څه حساب دی. What's going on there? یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ دغلته څه صورتحال دی. You prattle a lot. ته ډېر بک بک کوې. You prattle a lot. I am not refusing. زه انکار نه کوم. I am not refusing. Did you have a talk? آیا ستاسو خبرې وشوې؟ Did you have a talk? Finish soon. زر ختم کا. Finish soon. Teacher is about to come. استاد راتلو واله دی. Teacher is about to come. She is waiting. هغه انتظار کوي. She is waiting. Get in the class. class ته ځه. Get in the class. Don't feel shy. شرمېږه مه. Don't feel shy. Don't you feel shy? شرم نه درځي کو. Don't you feel shy? What brings you here? دلته څنګه راتلو وشو. What brings you here? She will talk to you. هغه به تا سره خبرې وکړي. She will talk to you. Go to meet her. هغې سره میلاوېدو له لاړ شه. Go to meet her. یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ هغې سره ملاقات کولو له لاړ شه. Stop crying. جړا بند کا. Stop crying. Wash your face. مخ دې وینځه. Wash your face. Get back. شاته شه. Get back. Come back. واپس راشه. Come back. Please let me go. مهرباني وکړه ما تلو ته پرېږده. Please let me go. When will the water come? اوبه به کله راځي. When will the water come? The water is out of stock. اوبه ختمې شوي دي. The water is out of stock. I will not do this again. زه به داسې بیا نه کوم. I will not do this again. The lift is not working. lift کار نه کوي. The lift is not working. When will light come? بجلی به کله راځي. When will light come? The light has gone up. بجلی تلی ده. The light has gone up. I feel like vomiting. مال الټی راځي. I feel like vomiting. He needs money. د هغه پیسې پکار دي. He needs money. I am with you. زه ستا سره یم. I am with you. He works here. هغه دلته کار کوي. He works here. I have to meet him. ما لره هغه سره میلاوېده دي. I have to meet him. یا تاسو داسې ویلی شئ ما لره هغه سره ملاقات کول دي. Did you see him? آیا تا هغه ولیدو؟ Did you see him? His beard is white. د هغه ږیره سپینه ده. His beard is white. He is an old man. هغه یو بوډا سړی دی. He is an old man. I am going. زه روان یم. I am going. You will forget it. ته به دا هیر کې. You will forget it. Promise me. ما سره لوز وکا. Promise me. The time has passed. وخت تیر شوی. The time has passed. It's too late. ډیر ناوخته شوی دی. It's too late. I don't feel so. ما ته داسې نه ښکاري. I don't feel so. What happened? څه چل وشو. What happened? Did you have a talk? آیا ستاسو خبرې وشوې. Did you have a talk? I have bad luck. زما قسمت خراب دی. I have bad luck. What did you say? تاسو څه ووی. What did you say? Be comfortable. په قلار اوسه. Be comfortable. Come to the point. اصلي خبرې ته راشه. Come to the point. I was not tired at all. زه د سره ستړی نه وم. I was not tired at all. She calls me over and over. هغه ما ته بار بار فون کوي. She calls me over and over. He lives next to me. هغه زمونږ په گاوند کې اوسیږي. He lives next to me. He felt very lonely. هغه ځان ډیر بې اسرې محسوس کو. He felt very lonely. He seems to be rich. هغه مالدار ښکاري. He seems to be rich. He'll get well soon. زر ده چې هغه به ټیک شي. He'll get well soon. Do you like fight? آیا ته جګړه خوښی. Do you like fight? Absolutely not. بالکل نه. Absolutely not. It is a little expensive. دا په بیه لږ ګران دی. It is a little expensive. I will think about it. زه به په دې باره کې سوچ وکم. I will think about it. I will come in a while. زه به په لږ ساعت کې راشم. I will come in a while. I am stuck in a lift. زه په لیفت کې ګیر شوی یم. I am stuck in a lift. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره د چینل PE Everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل د آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به ترې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.